Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I will show you how to fix Apex Legend shotgun loading screen. So first you need to head over to your task manager. Go to task manager and here search for Apex and in the task. So next search for origin and end its task as well. So after you're done with this, go to your Steam and now in library you'll have this games. You just need to head over to your Apex Legend. So you need to right click on Apex Legend. So right now I don't have my Apex Legend installed, so you just need to click on Apex Legend, click on properties and go to installed files. Here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. Now after that you need to click on browse. So here you need to click on common here in the address bar and go to Apex Legend. Now again, I don't have Apex Legend installed, so I'm just gonna show it with the game I have. Go to Apex Legend and search for the exe file and launch it. So hopefully this would fix the error. If it still doesn't get fixed, then just run cmd. Search for cmd and run it as administrator. So here you're gonna write two commands, which is first one is ipconfig space /flush tns. Press enter. After that another command is netsh winsock space reset. After that click on enter and you're done. Hopefully these two methods will work. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and I'll meet you guys in the next video.